Hey everybody, David Cook, the Franco Painting and Wallpaper in the shop with Jerry. And we are working on some kitchen cabinets. So this door was one of the doors that Jerry brought back. And you can see where it's cracked and it goes all the way down. It follows the rail, comes up and over. So I just filled that with wood glue. I've let it sit here for a couple minutes to kind of let it soak in all the way down. So to fix it, further fix it, I just got a big clamp. And I'm just gonna take this clamp. We're gonna clamp this thing together. And you're gonna see as we clamp it, that glue is gonna push out of it. So I got it on the inside of there, on the top. You see where it bubbled up? It's pressurized, so it's coming out. So I'm gonna stick, I think I have one more clamp here that'll fit. So I'm gonna take the same clamp. Sorry, that ain't working. Like so. Now that thing is, it's not going anywhere. And I'm just gonna reposition this one to go right on the end. And then, for show, I'll have to lift it. That's why I use a tripod so you don't drop the phone. But again, squeeze that on there. You can see where that paint or the glue came out. So I'm gonna take a wet rag and we're just gonna wipe all that glue off while it's still wet. And then let this sit overnight. We can sand all the stuff down. And if we need to fill it with some Bondo or something, we can fill it, but that should be good just where it's at. And then we'll be able to finish painting the door. If you got other questions about some minor repairs on doors, let us know. Hope this helped a little bit. Sorry for the shaky on the camera, but it's what it is. But it's a pretty easy fix. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. Hope you have a great day and God bless.